My name's Sophia, and I'm here with
Nicole.
All right, Nicole. So, what are your plans, or what are you most looking forward to for spring break?
Going to Austin.
Yeah. What are you doing down there?
Seeing my friend
Oh, that's
Pamela.
super fun. Very exciting.
Yes, very excited.
Thank you for your time. All right, now I'm here with
Pam.
Okay, Pamela. So, what are you most looking forward to? What are you most excited for spring break?
Waking up at 12 every day.
Oh, very fun. Very fun.
Not our trip, sorry.
Thank you. All right, my name's Sophia, and I'm here with
Jack.
All right, Jack. Can you tell me about your plans or what you're most excited for spring break?
I'm going skiing in Durango.
Oh, fun.
So yeah,
Who are you going with?
going with my family and Gabe Rodriguez. His family's coming with us. So
Super cool.
fun.
All right, thank you, Jack.
No problem.
All right, I'm here with
Brendan.
Okay, Brendan. What are your plans and what are you most excited for spring break?
Always like hang out with people. I don't know. Not going anywhere.
Who are those people?
My friends.
Who are your friends?
I don't know. Other people.
You have Okay. Interesting.
Yeah. I don't
All
know.
right. Thank you.
You're welcome.
All right. I'm here with
Cool.
Okay, Cole. What are your plans for spring break?
Hang out with my friends.
All right. Who are those friends?
I don't know yet.
All right. Sounds super fun.
I'll meet them.
All right. Thank you for your time, Cole.
Pleasure.
All right. I'm here with
Boone.
Okay, Boone. What are your plans for spring break?
Film some Boone tunes.
Yeah, what are those Boone tunes gonna be?
I'm proud to be an American.
Alright, sounds like a plan.
Appreciate
Thank
that,
you for your
boy.
time, Boone.
Yeah, good.
I'm here with
Charlie Ratliff.
Alright, Charlie, what are your plans or what are you most excited for about spring break?
I'm going to Colorado and I'm going to go skiing with some friends.
Well, that's super exciting. Who are those friends?
My brother George and then some of his friends. So Andrew, Avery, Caitlin, and my buddy Martin Joseph.
Alright, that sounds super exciting.
Oh yeah,
Alright, thank you, Charlie.
no problem.
How immaculate, beautiful.
Beautiful.
You heard it yourself.
Beautiful. Look at that drip. That drip.
That's gas. I can see it in his face, ladies and
That's
gentlemen.
money, dude.
That's money.
lindas caderas, tu manera y tus caricias, y esa forma tan gentil con la que me haces feliz. Te pedí que si querías ser mi novia, me arrebataste un beso, un momento tan bonito que no supe qué decir. Yo te pertenezco a ti. Te regalo un pedacito de cielo, de mis labios un te quiero, de mis manos las caricias que te van a hacer sentir lo que yo siento por ti. Te regalo mi esencia y todo mi mundo, y aunque les parezca absurdo, nunca había encontrado a nadie que se te asemeje a ti. Tienes 10 en tu perfil. Te regalo del corazón solo a ti. Te regalo un pedacito de cielo, de mis labios un te quiero, de mis manos las caricias que te van a hacer sentir lo que yo siento por ti. Te regalo mi esencia y todo mi mundo, y aunque les parezca absurdo, nunca había encontrado a nadie que se te asemeje a ti. Tienes 10 en tu perfil. Te regalo del corazón solo a ti.
Welcome back. It's Boone's Tunes. Hope you had a great break. It's week 5, and we're live, baby. Let's go. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I'm here with
Steven Prestige.
Prestige. Well, what? All right, Steven, where are you from?
Dallas, Texas.
Dallas, Texas, 214. All right, what are you be singing for us today? Actually, you know what? Don't tell me. Just take the mic and go for it. I want a surprise.
All right. I'm not the best singer, but, you and me, we're no strangers to love. You know the rules, and so do I. A full commitment's what I'm thinking of. You wouldn't get this from any other guy. I just want to tell you how I'm feeling. Gotta make you understand. Never gonna give you up, never gonna let you down, never gonna run and desert you. Never gonna make you cry, never gonna say goodbye, never gonna tell a lie and hurt you.
That's all we need. All right, thanks, man. Appreciate that. If y'all like it, vote for Steven Prestige in the link. Thank you. What is up, guys? I'm here with
Mrs. Fincannon.
And she is from
Murphy, Texas.
Murphy, Texas. All right. What are you going to be singing for us today?
Devil went down to Georgia.
All right. Take the mic and go for it.
The devil went down to Georgia. He was looking for a soul to steal because he was in a bind and he was way behind and he was willing to make a deal. So he came upon this boy playing on a fiddle hot, and he sat down on a hickory stump and he said, "Boy, let me tell you what."
All right. Thank you very much. If y'all like that, vote in the link and show some appreciation for our teachers. Thank y'all. What's up, guys? I'm here with
Hunter.
Okay, he's from
Texas.
what city?
Richardson.
Of course, Richardson. What are you be singing for us today?
Ice cream page.
All right, man. Take the mic and go at it. Make sure you speak into it.
All right. Clean on the inside, clean on the outside, cream on the inside, clean on the outside, cream on the inside, cream on the outside, ice cream paint job.
Thank you. I appreciate that very much. Have a good day. If y'all like that, vote in the link. All right. There we go. What's up, guys? I'm here with
Quincy.
And
Trail.
Okay. Where y'all from?
Mississippi. North Dallas.
North Dallas. All right. Y'all know what y'all gonna be singing? Yeah. All right. Take the mic and go for it.
I got it on my mind, yeah. Whole lot of bullets flying, yeah. On my nine, yeah. On my mama, I ain't lying. These niggas just when I'm in the skies. They claiming that they real, but I can see it in their eyes. You know I'm out that gang, and you know that I won't stop. Don't go against the grain. We headed to the top. You don't want war with us, yeah. You don't want war with us, yeah. You don't want war with us, yeah. I'm thinking who want war with us.
We appreciate y'all. Thank you very much.